everyone. First of all, thank you for purchasing our products. Because the servos were produced in batches, some customers received a servo which moves opposed expectations. We provide a new Python program named as client_reverse.py to address the problem. It has been updated to GitHub. You can just download it directly on the PC and leave it in the client folder. In addition, debugging is an indispensable process in learning programming. The sense of accomplishment after solving the problem is also the motivation for continuing learning. We can take this as an example to teach you how to solve the problem step by step. At the same time, to give you a basic understanding of how this program works. There are many ways to debug. The easiest solution to this problem is to change the client on the PC. But another solution to rewrite the Raspberry Pi program is more representative. We connect Raspberry Pi via SSH. Default user is Pi and the default password is Raspberry. Then we find the Python code that we want to change. We use Nano to open the server because it's a terminal text editor that already installed in your Raspberry Pi. And it's okay if you want to use other editors such as Vim. If you don't like the terminal text editor in Raspberry Pi, we will teach you how to code on your PC using Sublime Text or Notepad or some other beautiful and user-friendly text editors for coding. Of course, this will all be updated in the subsequent tutorials. Before changing the code, I would like to introduce the principle of controlling the robot and how we can quickly change the code according to the principle. When you press up in client sends lookup to server via socket, and look down when you press down. When the server receives the code, it will perform the corresponding action. If the servo moves in the opposite direction, we only need to alter the position of lookup and look down on either end of the client or server. Just easy like this. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Follow us and we will update more practical tutorials of Raspberry Pi robot for Python users.